Top quality stainless steel material. Fullmosa smartwatch band is cut and crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, high-tech surface, luxury, nobility, and durability, as every detail has been taken into account in the manufacturing process in terms of workmanship, design, and aesthetics. Watch band width. Compatible with most smart and traditional watch that uses 20 mm lug width. The size can be adjusted according to the circumstance of individual wrist. Samsung Galaxy Watch band can be shortened or extended with the attached link remove tool to fit your wrist perfectly. Unique design. The double push button design makes additional protection for your watch, safer than many other clasps. Unique fold over clasp and 2 double push buttons lock your watch band easily and securely, and the clasp gives you both fashion and convenience. Compatibility, 20 mm, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 40mm/44 mm, Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46 mm/42 mm, 2021 released. But not compatible with Samsung Galaxy Watch 2019, 46 mm, Samsung Gear S2 Classic, not fit Samsung Gear S2, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 41 mm/Galaxy Watch Active 4